Hello, my name is Ana Juliet Vanegas. I study psychology and travel itinerary. Is Cali, Colombia. Duration of the trip. Visitors will stay for a period of 3 days, and tonight with different activities will be carried out to get to know the city and many tourist places that are included in the tour package. In these 3 days, the visitors will have a tour guide, means of transportation. In Cali, they can be transported by motorcycle, car, or public service bus. In the cases, visitors can be transported by means of a bus assigned by the hotel. Thanks, all this is included in the tourist package. Although some visitors prefer to walk through the waypoint and around the city. Activities to Taiwan. 9 a.m., 11 a.m., you can enjoy some wonderful waterfalls. 3 p.m., 5 p.m., there is a city tour through the hills of the Red Cross. And from 8 p.m., the hotel's disco bar is enabled. Day 2. 9 a.m., 11 a.m. Visitors can volunteer in the city. 3 p.m., 5 p.m. and city tours is made through the waypoint of the Sierra. And from 8 p.m. cocktail night and rumba. Day 3. 9 a.m., 11 a.m. Visitors can enjoy a buffet, breakfast, and typical meals of the region. 3 p.m., 5 p.m. Visitor is informed to be ready to travel back to their destination. Places to stay. They can stay in the hotels. Typical foods. The typical food of Cali is stuffed rice, bayuno, aborrajados, chicken, sancocho, bayuno, shampoo as a drink. It costs the 3-day tour to the city of Cali as a value of 1 million Colombian pesos per person. Thank you, Cali, Colombia.